Hi, my name is Marissa Bradfield, and I am the Choral Director and Performing Arts Department Chair at Providence High School. Welcome to our open house. Even though it looks a little different this year, we're so happy that you were able to join us in our virtual experience.
Hakuna Mungu kama wewe, hakuna Mungu kama wewe, hakuna Mungu kama wewe, hakuna na hata kuweko. Nimetembea kote kote, nikatafuta kote kote, nikazunguka kote kote, hakuna na hata kuweko. Nimetembea.
We have a thriving choral music community at Providence High School. We offer 4 ensembles, each of them being able to sing, compete, and attend festivals throughout the year. Our advanced ensemble, Providence Singers, have competed around the country, from Chicago to Hawaii to Seattle, and hopefully abroad in the near future. I'm going to be sharing with you today a sizzle reel of these events. I hope you enjoy. Our department is made up of passionate artists and educators that seek to elevate our students through great course offerings, technique-based trainings in all disciplines, and many performance opportunities both on and off campus. Let's not wait any longer. Let's meet the team.
Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Dominic Catrambo and I'm PHA's producer and co-creator of Discovery on Stage. Now Dio, as we like to call it, has been in residence at Providence for the last 12 years, creating season after season of dynamic shows. And we've been really fortunate to receive quite a few awards throughout our partnership in categories for both production design as well as student performance. Now, with every season, we're striving to bring content that speaks to our community, fires up our students, and innovates from the imagination up. This year is definitely no different. Now, not only are we still producing a season of shows, 5 in fact, we've also rolled out a new episodic series featuring student work across all our visual and performing arts disciplines called Please Stand By. Be sure to check it out on our Providence High Arts YouTube playlist. Now, in addition to producing our season of shows, I also direct the spring musical, and I teach performance extension, which is an audition-based class that meets after school once a week, where we dive deeper into the craft of acting, create original content, and connect further with the community. Okay, I think that's probably plenty about me. Let's keep the intros going.
Thanks, Mr. C. Hi, my name is Julianne Kazmerzek. I am Program Coordinator for Discovery on Stage and a faculty member here at Providence. I have the pleasure of teaching Drama 1, Dance 1, and Classical Acting. When not teaching, you can find me directing the fall production, the freshman showcase, and choreographing the spring musical, and soon the spring dance showcase. Providence has become a creative home for me, in a large part thanks to the support and enthusiasm of the faculty and staff, and thanks to my students who inspire me daily with their creativity, their kindness, and their willingness to try. And without a doubt, because of my fellow department members. I've never worked with a more fun, driven, and passionate group of individuals. I think you'll agree once you get to know them. So let's meet our last faculty member, Mr. Stroh.
Hi, my name is Tracy Stroh. As a faculty member of Providence, I'm the Providence High Arts Instrumental Music Director and accompanist for the choral music program. I'm passionate about teaching music theory and fundamentals to students at all levels, in choir, instrumental music, and the academic decathlon. When I'm not teaching or playing, I've been known to represent Providence High Arts in athletic events for Pioneer Week, and faculty-student competitions, especially basketball.
Thank you again for joining us. We look forward to meeting again soon. Please email us with any questions about our department or specific classes, and don't hesitate to introduce yourselves. Don't forget to join us for upcoming shows in this 2021 season of Hourglass.